Syphon coffee maker was invented in 1905. It has a beautiful appearance. During brewing process, it can strongly emit the coffee aroma and enjoyable visual performance. It's a coffee maker that can perform all nature characters of coffee. First, we prepare a coffee grinder for grinding ground coffee. Measure proper amount of coffee bean into the grinder. We recommend using medium roasted, medium fineness ground coffee for Syphon coffee maker. Set up grinding fineness at medium. Set proper grinding time and start grinding. Place the filter at the bottom of upper glass tank. Pull the spring hook and fix it to the bottom of the siphon tube. Measure proper amount of hot water in lower glass bowl. Refill butane gas into mini gas burner. Be sure to wait for 1 minute before using. Heat the lower glass bowl by alcohol lamp or mini gas burner. Insert upper bowl into lower bowl in a slightly inclined position. When water in lower bowl is boiling, carefully insert upper bowl into the lower bowl vertically. At this time, water in lower bowl will rise up into upper bowl gradually. When water is completely ascended from the lower bowl to the upper bowl, adjust the burner to low flame. Use wooden blender to adjust filter in position. Measure proper amount of fresh ground coffee in upper bowl. The standard amount of ground coffee is 12 grams or a ½ ounce each cup. Slightly stir upper bowl in clockwise direction from edge to center by wooden blender. Let water and ground coffee mix together. But don't over stir, otherwise the taste of coffee will become bitter. The best brewing time should be within 50 to 80 seconds. Extinguish the fire and stir the coffee once again. Use a wet cloth to polish the lower bowl slightly to cool down the temperature. When all coffee returns to lower bowl, hold the stand, rotate the upper bowl in a slightly inclined position to separate the upper and lower bowls. Pour the coffee into a coffee cup. A cup of aromatic coffee is now ready.